If I had to replace my whole mobility routine with only 3 movements, these are the ones I would choose. When life got busy, I had to simplify everything down to what gave me the most benefit in the least amount of time. And honestly, I was surprised by how well it worked. It reminds me of my grandma's sister who is 90 and still practices mobility. She moves better than people half her age because she never stopped moving. You don't need a perfect routine, you need something simple enough that you'll actually keep doing. The first movement is a rotational hinge. You can do this with just your body weight, but I like using a kettlebell because it adds load and helps build strength through the movement. Start in a B stance with one foot slightly in front of the other. Your back knee can stay slightly bent. Hold the kettlebell in a hand opposite of your front leg. From here, hinge toward the front leg while rotating over your femur. Bring the kettlebell across your body toward the outside of your front knee. As you hinge, you should feel your hamstrings and glutes loading. You should also feel your hip moving into internal rotation as your torso rotates through your mid-back. From here, drive through the front leg, squeeze the glutes, and rotate back up. As you come up, switch the kettlebell to the opposite hand and press it towards the ceiling. Then reverse the movement back down with control and repeat. I love this movement because you are not just targeting one area. You are training hip internal rotation, hamstring mobility, glute strength, core rotation, T-spine mobility, and shoulder strength all in one movement. The second movement is the deep squat. The deep squat isn't just an exercise, it's a fundamental human position your body was built to rest, move, and load from. And despite what you may have heard, deep squats are not bad for your knees. What's usually more harmful is never taking your joints through full range, which can lead to stiffness, weakness, and instability over time. A proper deep squat helps restore hip mobility, ankle motion, knee strength, and can even reduce stress on the lower back. Now, here's what most people miss. Your squat will not look like everyone else's, and that's normal. Your structure changes how you balance. Some people need a wider stance and toes out. Others can stay more upright but needs more ankle mobility. So instead of forcing a perfect looking squat, find a stance where you feel stable, relaxed, and balanced over your midfoot. If your heels lift or chest collapses, your body just needs time in the position. Sit at the bottom with your heels elevated if needed. Hold for about 60 seconds. Gently shift side to side and breathe. Practice this consistently, slowly reducing support over time, and your hips, knees, and ankles can relearn that this position is safe and natural. And once you own the bottom position, everything from walking to lifting starts to feel easier. The last movement is one you've probably seen me talk about before, but it's one of my go-tos, the dead hang. Your shoulders were designed to hang, reach, and climb, yet most adults never do it anymore. When you bring hanging back, the spine gently decompresses, tight chest and lats muscle begin to open, grip and shoulder strength improve, and posture starts to restore from the space you create. If you don't have a pull-up bar at home, you can use a doorway pull-up bar. They are inexpensive and easy to set up. Hang with your shoulders active, ribs down, and steady breathing. Build toward 1 full minute. If that's too hard, lightly tap your toe down between short hangs. Try to keep some tension through your upper back instead of fully resting on your feet. As you get more comfortable, you can add small rotations side to side. This helps you explore different angles, open up the lats and upper back, and bringing more rotation back into the spine. Try these 3 movements consistently for the next 30 days. Keep it simple, move with control, and your body should start feeling more open, stronger, and a lot less restricted. I will see you in the next one.